What's up, guys? It's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've been filming with the iPhone SE here lately. My Samsung S5's been acting up on me, or whatever the hell it's called, S20 5G. Can't remember. It's got great video stabilization, but damn things, something's wrong with it. I gotta try and figure out what's up with that. So anyway, I've been using this iPhone SE. Sorry for my shaky hands, but today I've got something a little special here. This is a 96 Ford F150 XLT. It's got the 4.9 inline 6 in it. A little bit different there. Let's see if I can get this hood open without. There we go. Sorry for the shaky crap. There she is. Good old 4.9 inline 6. What a great engine. Just a great basic motor, man. This old truck's got 150,000 miles on it, which isn't too bad. It is also sporting its original paint. This is my cousin's truck, and he bought it. A little man, one owner, garage kept, traded it in at the Nissan store here in our little hometown, and instead of hauling it off to auction like most new big box new car dealers would do, they just threw an ad out there for $49.95. Come get it. And my cousin jumped on it. Now, he may have paid a little too much, but hey, one owner trucks like this, Georgia, no rust. I mean, no rust, people. They just don't rust down here. And this kind of interior, this thing hasn't been cleaned. They just drove it down here. All the gauges work a little dirty. Could use a little cleanup. But she runs good. Got a nice Kenwood aftermarket system. It's got the 5-speed manual. Seats and fabric look great for an old truck like this. You know, a few little stains. This is not his primary vehicle. He has, if you are a subscriber of my channel, I've got a test drive of his, I believe it's a 14 Dodge Avenger in white. That's his daily driver. And he just bought this truck because he cuts some yards on the side, does a little maintenance and things like that, and he can haul his tools in it. So for $5,000, I think it's a great truck, especially with that 6-cylinder and a 5-speed manual. Got decent looking old Goodyear Wranglers on there all the way around. He's on this truck about 5 years, I believe. Look at that exhaust. Clean pipe, no oil or blow by. Everything looking good. Cannot beat it. Let's take it for a ride. I'm going to try and film and drive at the same time, so this will be funny. Got power windows, locks, cruise, everything works. Even the AC compressor and everything works, but it's got a leak. So he says he just charges it up during the really hot months of summer, and then it usually gets him through that hot period before it leaks out, which it's now October, and it has officially leaked out. So let's take this baby for a drive. We'll put her in first. He put a new clutch in it last year. I think he told me new clutch and slave cylinder and all those components, $2,000. I couldn't believe it. I thought that was expensive. But what do I know? I haven't done a clutch on a truck or a car, period, I don't think I ever have had to replace a clutch. I never keep a car that long. Never keep one that long. Old truck runs pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to do a takeoff in second gear right here, just to save on shifting and what have you. I'm sure it'll pull second. Oh yeah. Not with any authority, but third, fourth. Yeah, she's a good running, riding old truck. Drives good and straight. Shoot the front end, and this thing feels good. Oh yeah. He says it goes down the interstate 80 miles an hour, no problem, just sweet as can be. And I believe him. This steering's really good for an old 90s pickup truck. Got some heavy power assist. But yeah, it drives pretty straight. Fourth gear pull. Let's see what we got here. Not too shabby for fourth gear in a 6-cylinder. That wouldn't really even to the floor. I was just giving her a little gas. So yeah, she's a neat old truck. He could probably sell the darn thing today for $5 grand. Trucks are expensive, and especially these old ones. If you can find one in original condition, shoot, yeah, man. This black paint is the original paint. Now, I mean, it's scratched up, and it's got some, you know, kind of white haze to it. But I told him, I said, hey, we will throw some polish on that thing here over the Thanksgiving holidays when we all get together, and I'll use my chemical guys torque polisher, and we'll polish this baby up. So expect a follow-up video in a month or so, and we're gonna polish this thing, see how good we can make her shine. Like to see this original black paint come out and shine for us. See if we can't get some of them scratches out too. Okay, we'll do a first gear start here. Okay. What a cool old truck, man. Shifts easy too. You know, it's got that kind of trucky feel to it, but man, it's not bad. Not bad. Good looking interior. All the dash plastics look good. I mean, nothing's broken or cracked. Look how clean this headliner is. I mean, this the whole truck just really is clean for its age. I mean, 24 years old. Wow. I mean, my cousin, I think, was born, let's see, in 93. So he was 3 years old when this truck came out. Slick, slick, slick truck. Really like it. Oh, and it's got the dual tanks too. So you can fill up both tanks and drive forever. Especially on this inline 6. Third gear, nice hill pull. Listen to that motor, man. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Please comment and like. It keeps this channel going, keeps the revenue generating a little bit. I only have a couple thousand subscribers, so revenue's not huge for me, but anything, I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Oh, before I sign off, I just remembered I didn't do a startup. Let me do a startup. There we go. Runs like a champ. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Peace.